So welcome to another amazing walk in Portugal, and we are in the city of Lisbon, and we are going to be doing a walk called the Baixa Stroll, and it's one of Rick Steves' walks, and we are starting right here down at the river that you can see behind me at the Praça de Comércio, and we're going to explore the Baixa neighbourhood. So let's go. We are going to be heading straight for that arch where we're going to walk under it and head up one of the busiest tourist streets in Lisbon, Augusta Street, Rua Augusta. At Rua Vitória, we are going to turn right and we're going to continue heading up on our walk. As you walk down San Vitória, you'll come to St. Nicholas Church, and if you keep looking up at the very end of the square, you're going to see a blue tiled building, and it has the word elevator on it. And this is a shortcut if you're on your way up to the castle. It's one of the first of two elevators that's going to save you a ton of hill walking. At the church, we're going to head right down Rua de Prata and continue our walk. And just before you get to Praça da Figuera, I'm pronouncing these terrible, you look to your left. And there at the end of the street is the Santa Justa elevator that we went to the other day. At the end of the street, we reach Figuera Square. When you're standing here looking at the square, if you turn and you look right, and you look way at the top of the hill, there you can see St. George's Castle at the top. Once again, our walks just take forever because we have to stop for every good tasting thing. Steve, what are you eating?
It looks like pork belly in a bun.
Oh. So we are going to continue on here after that delicious pork belly sandwich up the left-hand side of the square when you're walking past it towards the Church of São Domingo. Well, we could certainly smell this before we saw it. A famous little cod store here. Salted cod, Portuguese specialty. And we've reached the Church of São Domingo. After you visit this church, you can stop here at the Gingina place that sells the sour cherry liqueur. I think this is the oldest one in the city. And just around the corner from the church is Rosio Square. Wow, you really can see a lot here. Look up in the distance, there's a Santa Justa elevator. There's the ruined convent at the top left. I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but in Rosio Square, it's got this crazy tile pattern that's supposed to resemble waves, and it is very disconcerting to walk on. Oh, and there is the train station. Wow, beautiful. And from the train station, you just keep walking up the hill until you get the Plaza dos Restates, and that will be the end of our walk in the Baixa neighborhood. Now, we could have easily done this walk in about 40 minutes, but we took our time, we stopped and ate, we just really enjoyed looking at everything, stopping in at the churches. But here is the end of our Baixa walk at the Plaza dos Restates. I hope you enjoyed it.